Yes, I will teach because some of you, this chapter is coming. So in 10-15 minutes, we will finish this chapter. Okay. Most of the theory has been done in the last class. Okay. So now see, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, you should know how to draw, how to construct any angle as any angle from this compass. Okay. So I have told you that 15, the angle which come in the table of 15, that can be constructed from the compass 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, like this up to 120 we can construct from the compass. Okay, now see how will you construct it. First draw a line of any measurement. Okay, take a radius, take any radius, open your compass for that radius. Okay, now draw an semicircle. Now draw any this semicircle above this line. Okay, semicircle. Now at the intersection of the semicircle and the line, keep your needle here and draw one arc. Okay, draw one arc, and now keep the needle at this first arc and draw second arc. Now similarly keep the needle at the second arc and draw the third arc. Okay, so this angle, when you will join the line to this arc, when you will join the line from this arc, you will get an angle of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. Okay, this line, the first arc will give the angle of 60 degree, the second arc will give angle 120 degree, the third arc will give the angle of 180 degree. Okay, now see, if the middle of this 90 and 60, if we draw, wait, if we draw, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, okay. So now to draw the angle other than these angles, 60, 120, 180. Okay, now I want to draw 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree will come between 60 and 120. Okay, so 90 degree will be the middle of this 60 and 120. So for getting the middle point, keep your needle here and draw an arc. Keep your needle at this point and draw an arc. Okay, now this point, join this point to our line, join this point with our line, you will get 90 degree angle. Okay, so this line will show 90 degree angle. Okay, so now in this way you can construct any angle from these this list. Okay, like now I want to construct 30 degree angle. Okay, 30 degree will come between 0 to 60. This is 0 degree. 30 degree will come between 0 to 60. Okay, so for getting the middle point of this, draw an arc from this point O and this point. This angle will be 30 degree. This angle will be 60. Now if you want to get an angle between 30 and 60, okay, then you have to draw the middle arc from 30 and 60. Okay, so 30 and 60 middle will be 45. So to draw 45 angle, draw an arc from this point and one arc from this point. Get the this will be the middle of 30 and 60. This will be the middle of 30 and 60. And when you will join this line, you will get the angle 45. Okay, in this way you can construct these angle 15, 30, 45 from using this compass. Okay, is this okay? Are you getting? Any problem?
No, ma'am, no problem.
No problem. Okay, so in this way you have to construct angle. Okay, now see this is given, construct a quadrilateral. Now we will construct quadrilateral ABCD in which AB, BC, CD, DA, AC are given. Okay, so first you make the rough diagram. Okay, this is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, AB is 5, give the name A, B, C, D, either in anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. Okay, AB is 5, mark all the measurement. Okay, now you start. Now you start to construct it. How will you construct? See, first start if diagonal is given. If diagonal is given, then every time start with diagonal only. First line will be diagonal. In our construction, first line, draw the diagonal as first. Diagonal is of 8 centimeter. See, 8 centimeter will be from 0 to 8. Okay, I have drawn this line 0 to 8 centimeter, and this will be AC. Okay, and this is 8 centimeter. Now you draw this upper part of this diagonal. You can see from C there is a 6 centimeter. After 6 centimeter there is a point D. Okay, so from C open the compass for 6 centimeter and draw an arc from C. Draw an arc from C. Okay, similarly from A to D, this is 6.5. So now open the compass for 6.5 and draw an arc from A to 6.5. Okay, now the intersection of these two arcs will be D, and now join this intersection point with the C and A. Okay, C and A. This is 6, this is 6.5. Okay, so this upper portion is completed. Now for lower part, from A, cut an arc at 5. So take the compass, open the compass for 5 centimeter. Compass for 5 centimeter, cut a line from A. Okay, and now from C, cut the line at 7 centimeter. Now open the compass for 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Keep here and cut this arc. Okay, these two arcs should be properly cut. Okay, now this intersection will be point D. Now you can join, sorry, this intersection point will be D. Okay, this point B. Okay, now you can join this A and AB and BC. Okay, so you will get a quadrilateral if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, this is the method. Okay, should I repeat it again?
Ma'am, can you once explain me about the how was the rough figure and how to draw an arc from it?
Actually, rough figure is that quadrilateral. First of all, it is a quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral will always have 4 sides. 4 sides. So draw any figure of 4 sides. Okay, and mark a number. Give a name A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D you can give in any ways, like A, B, C, D start from the this side, or you can start from the upper part also, A, B, C, D. Okay, go either clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is the rule for giving the name. Okay, now AB is given, AB 5 centimeter, BC is given 7, CD is 6, DA is 6.5. Okay, all 4 side has been given, and AC is the diagonal, opposite point, AC are the diagonal, AC is the diagonal, and it is 8 centimeter. Okay, now if say construct this quadrilateral, then you have to start with the diagonal first. Okay, first draw the diagonal line 8 centimeter, then from the diagonal line open compass 6 centimeter. Okay, draw an arc of 6 centimeter from C and draw an arc of 6.5 from A. Okay, the intersection of arc, you will get point D. Now you can join D to A and D to C. Okay, now for the lower part, Okay, for getting B, draw an arc of 5 centimeter from A and 7 centimeter from C. Okay, the intersection point will be B. Now you can join B to C and B to A. Okay, in this way you can construct this quadrilateral if 4 side and one diagonal is given. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Now see. Now we will do if angles are given. Okay, this is the second example. I have taken second example. Okay, this example is if 3 angles and 2 adjacent side of quadrilateral are given. 3 angles are given, angle A, angle B, angle C are given, and one side AB and BC, 2 side and 3 angles are given. Then how will you construct this quadrilateral? Okay, before constructing from measurement, first draw a rough diagram. Okay, in rough diagram, this is a quadrilateral. Give name A, B, C, D. Now, AB is given 4.5, BC is given 7.5, angle A 75, B 105, and C is 120. They all are given. Okay, this is the given. These are the given measurement. Okay, use this measurement and now construct the actual quadrilateral. So how will you start? Okay, here diagonal is not given. Okay, if diagonal is given, then always start with the diagonal. First construct the diagonal. If diagonal is not given, then whatever is the given, draw that line first. See, draw the AB line first. Okay, AB line. It is of 4.5. 4.5. Okay, 4.5 centimeter AB line. Okay, now you have to draw these angles 75 and 105 at A and B. Okay, so for 75, what I will do? See carefully. For constructing an angle, draw a semicircle of any radius. Draw a semicircle of any radius. Okay, and now from this point, draw one arc, first arc, second arc. Okay, the first arc 60 degree, second arc 120 degree. Now we need 75 degree. 75 is the middle of 60 plus 120. Okay, 60 plus 120. No, it is not middle. It is middle of 90 plus 120. 75 is the middle of 60 and 90. Okay, so 75 will come here. See, how will you construct the 75? 75 is the middle of 60 and 90. Okay, so this is my 90 degree angle. This is perpendicular. Okay, this is the 60 degree. So now take the middle of the 60 and 90. How will you take? Draw arc from 60 and draw one arc from 90. This angle will represent 75 degree. Okay, this angle will be 75 degree. Okay, now see, from B you have to construct 105. Okay, so now from B, draw a semicircle, cut the arc on the semicircle. First arc will be 60 degree, second arc 120 degree. Now 105 will be the middle of 90 and 120. Okay, this is my 90 degree angle. This is my 90 degree angle. 105 would be middle angle of 90 and 120. So cut the arc between 90 and 120. Okay, so 90 is here. Draw an arc. 60 is here. Sorry, 120 is here. Draw an arc here. And this line would represent 120. Okay, so this is a 120 degree angle. Okay, this is a 120 degree angle. Sorry, 105 angle. At B, it is 105. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Wait,
105.
105 angle, wait. See, I will tell you here 105 angle. How will you construct any 105 angle? See, open your arc, open your compass of any radius, draw a semicircle. Then from this intersection point O, draw first arc. Then from first, draw the second arc. Okay. Then from the second arc, draw an arc in the middle of first and second. Okay. That will represent the 90-degree angle, perpendicular. This is the perpendicular angle, 90-degree. Okay. Now this angle is 60-degree. The first arc is 60-degree. Second arc is 120-degree. Now we have to draw 105. 105 would be the middle of 90 and 120. Middle angle of 90 and 120. Okay. So to draw the middle, take these 2 points and draw an arc from these 2 points. You will get the middle of these 2 points. Okay. And join this line with this arc. Okay. This angle will be 105. Okay. The same
Okay,
thing
ma'am.
I did here. The same thing I did here. But you should have a rough idea that where this 105 will lies. The 105 will lie between 90 and 120.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now see, we have drawn this line of 105 angle, 105-degree angle. Okay. Now since its measurement, this line should be of 7.5 centimeter only. So now for 7.5, open this compass for 7.5, and now draw an arc from B to 7.5 length. Okay. And extend this line, extend this same line up to 7.5. Okay. So this line is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now this point will be point C. See, this point will be C. Now at point C, you have to draw an angle 120. Okay. 120 is quite easy angle. Okay. Now at point C, keep the needle, draw and semicircle, draw and semicircle. The first angle, first arc will be 60-degree. The second arc will be 120-degree. Wait, there is no space. I have to rub this rough figure. Then only I can draw the 120-degree angle. Okay. Now to draw 120-degree angle, the first arc and the second arc. The second arc will be 120-degree angle, will represent 120-degree. Now join this arc with point C. Okay. Now this length is given or not? This length is not given. Okay. So since you have to construct a quadrilateral. Okay. So quadrilateral have 4 sides and it is closed one. It is closed one. So you can join this line, this line A with this point. Okay, where when these 2 lines will cut, that will be a point D. Okay, that will be a point D. In this way, if 3 angles and 2 sides are given, we can construct a quadrilateral easily. Okay, should I explain it again? Did you get or not?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Understood? See, I can explain once more. See, in construction part, it is very important to know how to draw angle from the compass. Okay. See, first make a rough diagram, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Draw a rough diagram. Angle A is given 75, B is 105, C is 120, and AB is 4.5, and BC is 7.5. Okay, this is given. Now, what you have to do? start from the AB. Start from the line AB. Draw an AB line of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now at A, draw an angle of 75. For 75, you should know how to draw a 75 angle from the compass. Okay. Open it, draw semicircle, cut the semicircle. The first arc will be 60 degree, the second arc will be 120 degree. Now draw from these two arc, draw the 90 degree angle, and 75 will be between 90 and 60. So take the middle point of 90 and 60, you will get 75 degree angle. Okay, so this line will represent 75 degree. Okay, now you stop here because we don't know how much we have to draw, how much will be the length of this line. So you stop here. Now you start at point B. B, you have to draw 105 degree angle. So 105 angle is drawn. Okay, now you extend this line. Okay, this angle is 105. Now this 105 angle line is 7.5 meter, 7.5 centimeter long. So cut an arc at 7.5. Okay, now join this point C and B. Okay, so this line will be done. Okay, now from C you have to construct 120 degree angle. Okay, so 120 degree angle will be this one. Okay, so now since this line length is not given, you extend these two lines, this line and this line. Where this line will cut, the intersection point will be D. Okay, so in this way you will get the quadrilateral of the given measurement. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can try at home how to first draw any angle from the compass. Okay, I can again show you. See, I can again show you. Draw any straight line. Draw any straight line. Give the name AB. Now from the point A, from one end point, take any radius. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay, draw a semicircle. Keep the compass of that radius only. Don't change the thickness of compass. Okay, now from this point, draw first arc. From the first arc, draw the second arc. From the second arc, draw the third arc. Okay, now from the first arc, draw this arc, and from the second arc, draw this arc. So the first arc and second arc middle point will be this one. Okay, and this angle would be 90 degree. This angle would be 90 degree. Now see, you can construct many angle. The first angle will be, first arc angle will be 60 degree. This will be 90 degree, and this will be 120 degree, and this will be 180 degree. The table of 60, 120, 180. Okay, now you can construct angle. Suppose I have to construct 30 degree. So 30 degree will be the middle of 0 and 60. Okay, so to get the midpoint, keep your needle here and draw arc from 0 and 60 degree. This angle will be 30 degree. Okay, and now to get the angle of 45 degree. Okay, so 45 is the middle of 30 and 60. So draw one arc from here and one arc from 60, one arc from 30, one arc from 60, and join the line. You will get 45 degree angle. This line will show 45, this line will show 30 degree, this line will show 60 degree. Okay, now 60 and 90, you can draw 75 also. Okay, draw, cut an arc from the 60 and 90, draw a line, you will get 75. This is 90. Okay, this would be 90. Now the midpoint of 90 and 120. Draw an arc join this line. This line will represent this 105 angle, 105, 105. Okay. Now this line will represent 120. Okay. Now the middle of 180, we can construct angle which will lie between, which will be the middle of 180 and 120. For getting the middle, draw an arc from here and one arc from 120. So what will be the value of this angle? Middle of 120 and 180? Tell me. 135. This angle would be 135. So now you can construct the 15 table angle from the compass with the help of compass. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have explained everything 2 or 3 times. Okay. Now, is there any problem? Let me know. No?
Ma'am, when we draw the quadrilateral, we should draw the baseline.
Yeah.
Okay,
Baseline.
ma'am.
Okay. First draw the baseline. If diagonal is given, then draw the diagonal first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, you draw the baseline first. And draw the respective angle. And join all the points.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Okay. Wait. Can you see my screen? I have changed the screen. Can you see the new screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the new screen? Okay. Okay. So we have done this construction part. Okay. If you practice, actually maths can only be learned when you will do it yourself. Okay. So do it yourself. Try it. I will send you the pics of this construction. Okay. And if you find any difficulty, let me know. Okay, this construction is very easy. You can score full marks in this question, in these type of questions. Okay. Okay. So now we'll start our next chapter, visualizing solid shapes. Okay. So I think this chapter is coming for many of you. This chapter is coming in your exam, right?
Ma'am, for me also it's coming this time.
Yes, yes, yes. This time, that's why I have taken this chapter on the priority basis so that you can attend easily in your exam. Okay. So now tell me, okay, what is a solid shapes?
A 3D figure which has a base, height,
Okay. Base, height, and hello.
ma'am, and also it has a base and a height.
Yes. Base and the height. Okay. Solid shapes. Okay. Solid shapes means the shapes which are solid, which don't have any hollow space inside that. Okay. Which don't have any hollow space inside that. Okay. So we will learn those type of shapes. Okay. So see, first we have seen these types of shape in the previous class. This is a triangle. This is a square one. Okay. The triangle and the square one. Now see, these are the 2D shapes. Why 2D shape? Because only two dimensional. because only two dimension has been given. Only two dimension has been given. One is length and other one is width. Only length and width is given. Okay. Now we will learn about the three-dimensional shapes. In three-dimensional shapes, length, width, and height. Three dimension will be, three measurement will be given. If any shape having three measurement, length, width, and height, that shape is called as 3D shapes. Okay, that shape is known as the 3D shapes. Okay, so 2D shape will have only two measurement, 3D shape will have three measurement. Okay, now see how to view of 3D shape. Okay, there are three view of 3D shapes. See, in 2D shape, there will be only one view. Okay, this triangle. From wherever you will see this triangle, the shape will be same. Okay. In a 3D shape, the view are different. If you see the, suppose I am having the shape of this hut. Okay, shape of this hut. Now, when you will see this hut is a 3D or 2D? This hut is in a shape of 2D or 3D? This is
3D,
a
ma'am.
3D shape because this hut is having length, width, and height. All three measurement. Okay. Now see, when you will see this front, this hut from the front, you will see this structure. Okay. You will not be able to see this part. This part. Okay. Now when you will see this hut from the side, you will see, will be able to see only the side view. This part, you will not be able to see the front door. You can't see the front door if you see, if you are standing at the side of this hut. Okay, then you can't see the front door. Front door can only be seen when you are in the front side. Okay, so this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. When you see the hut from the helicopter or from the building, which is a taller building than this hut, then from you are standing here, and when you will see the top view, then you will see on, you can see only the roof part of this hut. Okay, so for 3D shapes, each and every view will be different. Okay, you can't see everything from the one view. There will be three view. Okay, front view, side view, and top view. Now see, if you have this 3D shape of this structure. Okay, so the top view will be, if you see this structure from the top, in the top you can see only this blue portion only. Okay, so we will see, we can see this pattern, this shape from the top, if we see from the top side. Okay, if we see from the front side, then we can see this shape, L shape. Okay, and if we see from the side, if you are standing here and you are watching this shape, then if you are then from this side you can see only this red area. You can see only red area. Okay, so the red, if I draw this red area, this would look like this. Okay, so there are different view can be drawn from one 3D shape. Okay, now see, we take another example. If I take this dice, okay, this dice have length, width, and height. This dice is a 3D shape. You can say it is a 3D cube. Okay, since all the shapes are equal. So this is a cube. This dice will have front, top, and side view. If we draw the front view, from the front you can see only see only 3 dots. From the side, you can see 1 dot. From the top, you can see 2 dot. Okay. If you see from the top, you can't see the 1 dot. Am I right? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, take one more example, Almira. The 3D shape, 3D cuboid. This is a shape of cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. Now we will see from the front. You can see the front door. From the side, this is a side view. Okay, this is the side of Almira, the rectangle. You can see only rectangle shape. Okay, now from the top view, you can see the different rectangle of different size. You can see only the top. You can't see the front and side from the top. Okay, so these are the 3 view of any 3D shapes. Okay, now you can do practice how the all 3 view will look like for different shapes. Let's take this military tent. Okay, so military tent, this front view will be triangle, side view will be parallelogram, and top view you will see only line. From the top you will see only line.
Line.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, mapping around us. Have you ever seen the Google map? Google map, all of you are aware how this
Yes, ma'am.
Google map look like, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you ever thought that how this our land is very big? Okay, it's a very large. So how we can see this large area into the smaller our screen area? How we can see?
By map.
By mapping. Map means mapping. For what they do while drawing this map, they use scaling. Okay, and they reduce the scale. They reduce the scale. Suppose if one road is given, okay, there is a one road. If there is a one road, okay, it is of 10 kilometer. Okay, it is
Yes,
of 10 kilometer. So the showing this road on the map, they will show this road in a centimeter. They will fix one scale, and they will mention the scale like 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, so for 10 kilometer they will draw only 1 centimeter line. Okay, so using this scale, fixing this scale, this large road can be shown with a small line of 1 centimeter. Okay, so in this way, by reducing the scale, the area of large space can be reduced, and it can be shown in a small scale in the map. Okay, so see, what is the important point about mapping? Mapping represent the different objects, okay, or place different symbols are used. See, in Google Map you have seen that for different object we use a different color, or for different landmark we use different style, right? Like if there is a river, it will river or water, it will be shown by blue area, right? It will be shown by blue area. If there is a greenery, then it will be shown by or park area, it will be shown by green color area. Okay, so for different object, different symbols are used for mapping. Okay, now see, a map represent everything proportional to their actual size. Okay, everything is proportional in map, everything is proportional. Okay, everything is not of the actual size, it is proportional size, and that size is constant for each map. That size is constant for each map. Okay, now see, if I see this, see, I have taken this example. See, this is a map. Okay, this is a map, and this map is showing market is here, my house is here. This map is showing the route from the market. Okay, in front of market there is a bus stop. Okay, so from the bus stop to my house, this is a route. The arrow shows the route of bus stop to my house. Okay, and there is a hospital on the other corner. Okay, for the tree we can use tree, house, road. We can use different symbol, and using this symbol you can construct map. So can you give this answer? What does this map shows? People walking on the road, house management, a path from park to home.
Ma'am, a path from park to home.
Yes, a path from the park to home is given. Now see, in the same map, is the map made according to the scale? Scale is
Yes,
given.
ma'am.
See, for every map, in the right side corner, the scale will be given. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. Okay, 100 meter is taking as a 1 centimeter for drawing this map. Okay, now see, based on this mapping, these type of question may come in your competitive exam. Okay, see, in given map, the distance between the places is shown using the scale 1 centimeter to, the scale is given 1 to 0.5. Okay, the two
1 is
dot
to
means,
0.5 kilometers.
yes, 1 is to 0.5 kilometer, 1 centimeter to 0.5 kilometer. This dot shows ratio. Okay, now see, then the actual distance between school and the bookshop. You have to tell the actual distance between school and the bookshop. What will be the actual distance of this line?
2.2.
2.2 centimeter is the distance in the map. Okay, if the scale is given, what will be the actual distance?
Ma'am, 0.22 kilometer.
0.22. No. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kilometer. Okay. So 2.2 centimeter will be 0.5 into 2.2 kilometer. Just multiply it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
2.2 into 0.5.
Ma'am, 1.10.
Yes, 1.1 kilometer. Okay, so the option D will be correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll see the next topic, faces, edges, and vertices. Okay, so what do you mean by all these three terms? You can be.
Ma'am, faces means if example ma'am, it's like what we which is flat and we can see it, which is flat, ma'am. And edges means it's like the line which makes the two faces join. And vertices is the place where two edges join.
Yes, yes, correct. Faces is the flat surface. Edges is the
Joint of
joint
two
of
faces.
faces. Yes, vertices of the
Edge,
joint of
the joint of two edges is vertices.
yes, the singular. If there is a one point, it will be a vertex. If more than 1 point, vertices.
Vertices.
They are singular and plural terms. Okay. Now see, which of the following shape has a vertex?
Ma'am, see.
This sphere. This is a sphere. Sphere doesn't have any vertex.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Only has a face.
Yes. You see, a sphere have only face. The cylinder don't have any vertex. The
Ma'am,
option
that's why I said
is
C,
correct.
ma'am.
C is correct. Now we will see polyhedron. What is a polyhedron? Polyhedron is
It
a
is a solid in which the
solid.
flat faces.
Solid. Remember the term solid. Okay. With flat faces. With flat faces. Now see. Okay. See these shapes. These shapes: tetrahedron, cube, octahedron. Okay. They are the solid. They are the solid. Okay. They are the solid and flat faces. Their faces are flat. Okay. Now see, what is the difference between polygon? You might have heard the polygon in your previous class. So what is the difference? How they are different from the polygon? Polyhedron and polygon. What is the difference? Polygon. Okay. Polygon and polyhedron. First of all, tell me what is the difference between these two? Polygon is the 2D shape. Okay. And polyhedron is the 3D shape of polygon. 3D shape of all polygon is called polyhedron. Okay. Polyhedron is the 3D shape of all polygon. Okay. Now this shape will have face, edges and vertex. This all shape have face, edges and vertices. The polygon are face of the solid shape. Okay. Now we will see. See this shape, cube. Cube is a solid shape of polyhedron. Cube is a polyhedron. Okay. Cube is a polyhedron. This cube will have edge, faces and vertex. Okay. And this prism is also example of polyhedron. Okay. This prism, you might have seen the paperweight, right? Paperweight on your table or your office table. Okay. That is an example of a prism. That is solid. Okay. That is solid in nature and having flat surface. Okay. So this prism is the example of polyhedron. Or other example of polyhedrons are pyramids. You might have seen pyramids. Okay. So pyramids are the,
Can we say cuboid?
yes, cuboid also. If cube is polyhedron, cuboid will also be polyhedron. Okay. Cuboid is also polyhedron. Prism is polyhedron. This pyramids is also polyhedron. Okay. We will see them one by one. Their structure, their property, their edges, their faces, and their vertex. Now see, the common polyhedrons are prism, pyramids, a cube, and cuboid. In this chapter, we will study about these 4 shapes: cube, cuboid, prism, and pyramids. Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, can you once explain the polyhedron?
Polyhedron are the shapes, 3D shapes of all polygons. 3D shapes of polygon. See, polygon. What are the polygons? This triangle is a polygon. Polygon means the shape which is having more than 2 sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, more than 2 sides. This triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon, rectangle is a polygon. Okay, they all are polygon. Okay, hexagon or pentagon. Pentagon will have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this hexagon will have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now see, if we stack many triangle in a one row. Okay, if we stack many triangle in a one row, it will take a form of polyhedron. If we stack these polygons in a row, many polygons in a row, then it will take the shape of polyhedron. Okay, it will take the shape of polyhedron. See, if I stack many triangle in a row, okay, many triangle in a row, it will take the shape of prism. It will take the shape of a prism. Okay, similarly, if I keep many square shapes object on a stack, or one after the other, or in a row, it will take the shape of cube. Okay, it will take the shape of cube. If I keep many rectangle in a stack, if I keep many rectangle each one after other, it will take the shape of cuboid. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done. Yeah, similarly, if you will keep the pentagon, so many pentagon one after other or in a stack, okay, then it will take the shape of pentahedron. Okay, pentahedron. Pentahedron. HEDRON. Okay. Now, similarly, if you will take many, if you will keep many hexagon one after the other, then it will take the shape of hexahedron. Okay. So you should understand that how we are constructing this hedron from keeping many polygons, many 2D shapes in a stack. Okay. Now see, common polyhedron are prism and pyramid. Now see, if you see these kind of shapes where the curved faces is included, then this will not be a polyhedron. These shapes will not be a polyhedron. Okay, the polyhedron will cover only flat.
What's the torus?
Torus is the you might have seen this swimming the tire.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the tube inside.
Ma'am,
the
even
tire.
donuts. Donuts will
Yes.
be in the shape of
Donut is also a tube inside the tire, or this swimming ring, right? That is also torus. So these curved surfaces, since they all are having curved surfaces, so they will not be a polyhedron. They will not be a polyhedron. Okay. Now see, we will do question. Which among us the following is not a polyhedron?
C.
C is not a polyhedron because C
It
is
has a
having
curved surface.
curve. This is a curve. Okay, so C
Yeah.
will not be a polyhedron. This is a polyhedron. This will be a polyhedron. This will be, because they all are including only flat surfaces. Okay. This cone is including circle, and circle is a curved surface. Okay. Now convex and concave type. Now see, concave and convex. What is the difference between concave and convex? In concave, we can draw the line outside the shape. Okay, we can
Yes.
draw the line outside the shape. If a line can be drawn outside the shape, then that will be a concave type. Okay. Here see, I can draw a line between two vertices outside this shape. Okay.
Ma'am, but the edges are also seen to the outside only.
Edges?
Are also seen to the outside only, no, ma'am.
I'm not getting your point.
No, ma'am, like you said, we can draw a line outside. So,
We
okay.
can draw
So,
a
ma'am,
line
like
outside.
what I'm meaning is, if this is a cube, ma'am, my mobile, so the edges we see are also towards the outside only, no, ma'am.
Yes. Edges are toward the outside. So see, your mobile is this cuboid shape, right? Now, from in cuboid shape, can we draw any line outside of this shape?
No, ma'am.
We cannot draw any line outside of this shape. Okay. In the concave type polyhedron, if we can join two vertices and we can draw the line outside of the shape, then it will be a concave type. Okay. See, here we can't join any two vertices outside of this shape. Here in this figure, these two vertices can be joined, a line can be drawn, and this line is lying outside of this shape. So this shape will be of concave type. Okay, done. Now regular and irregular. What do you mean by regular and irregular? In polygon, we have seen
Ma'am, regular means like cube, ma'am.
regular means, wait, in polygon, regular means when all the sides are equal. When all the sides are equal. If any polygon having all sides equal, then it is called as regular. And
Ma'am,
in,
then cuboid is also regular.
no, cuboid, sides are not equal. Cuboid is a form 3D shape of rectangle, right? And in rectangle, all sides are equal? No. The length and width are different. Okay. So cuboid will not be a regular type. Okay. Are you getting my point? All
Yes,
side should be equal. Here, see, only cube is a regular polygon because all sides are same. Okay. And irregular one, irregular means all sides are not same. See here, all sides are not same. This is longer than this and this one is shorter. Okay. And one more difference is that it's at vertex, the same number of faces should meet. At vertex of regular polygon, the same number of faces should meet. At each and every vertex of polyhedron, the same number of faces should meet. See, if I see at this point, at this vertex, 3 faces are meeting, right? At each and every vertex, same number of faces are meeting. Okay. In this point, for this shape, at this point, 4 surfaces are meeting. At this vertices, only 2 surfaces are meeting. Okay. So that's why it is called as non-regular. For each and every vertex, same number of faces should be meets. Should be meet.
Ma'am, once can you repeat it?
Actually, see, regular polyhedron is that regular means you have to take care of 2 things. Okay, first of all, their side should be of equal length. Okay, the side of each face should be equal length. Okay, okay, all side. Since in a cube, all sides are equal. Cube, all sides are equal. Okay, so here in cube all sides are equal because it is made up of from square, and square all sides are equal. Okay, and second thing is that at vertex at each and every vertex, the same number of faces should meet. Same number of faces should meet. Here 3 faces are meeting. See, you can see. I don't have an example of phrase. Okay, wait. Now, see, this is a cube. Okay. If I ask you, what is the length and width of this cube? Same. Cube, from its definition only, we can see cube is a structure which having length, width, and height all are equal. Okay. Now see, if this is a vertex, this is a vertex. Cube is having 8 vertex. Okay. Cube is having 8 vertex. Now, if I ask you, how many faces are meeting at this vertex? How many faces are meeting?
3.
3 faces are meeting. At this vertex, how many faces are meeting? 3.
Ma'am, 3.
At this vertex, how many faces are meeting?
3.
3. So for each and every vertex, same number of faces are meeting. Okay. So this will be a regular polygon. This will be a regular polygon. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
now see. Okay, clear? So regular polygon are those polygon in which all the measurement are same and the same number of faces are meeting at a vertex. Okay, and non-regular are where this one is a non-regular type. Okay, you can see here how many, these are the vertex. These are the vertex. Okay, so how many faces are meeting at this vertex A? Tell me. 3 faces.
Ma'am, which one can we label it? Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, ma'am. 2.
2, 1, 2, and the flat
3.
surface also. 3 surface are meeting. At this point, again 3 surface are meeting. Right? At this point, 3 surface are meeting. At this point, 4 surface are meeting. Right? So they are not equal. Since for these vertices, 3, 3, 3, here it is 4. So this is an example of non-regular polyhedron. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. So I think I should stop here. Okay. So tomorrow we will see the rest part of this chapter. What is a pyramid? Okay. What is a prism? How to find out the faces, edges, and vertices. Okay. And we will solve few questions. So Shubhra, have you got what I have told today?
Yes, ma'am, I understood it.
Understood? I'm going little bit fast because you don't have enough time. This is revision time. Okay. So I'm not taking the theory part in detail. I'm just telling the definition and will tell you the formula and we'll try to solve more number of questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that's why I'm going a little bit fast. Since most of you have exam next month.
Ma'am, this is the
What?
ma'am, this is the revision, right?
Yes, this is the revision.
Okay, ma'am.
We have completed the full course in the January itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, from 1st February, the revision part has been started. So I have done revision of first 4 chapters. Now I have taken this chapter 10. Okay, we'll go for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 to 15, I will take first.
Ma'am, direct and inverse variation also.
Yes, after this polyhedron, we will cover this direct and inverse variation. Okay. So is there any doubt in this chapter? This chapter is quite you have to understand the shape.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have any 3D shape, so I can't show you in the camera. If I will try it tomorrow. We'll solve few more example. Okay. Do you want to play quiz
Yes, ma'am.
on polyhedron?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Polyhedron. Polyhedron.
Ma'am, shall we play 2 quizzes today?
Why? Your exam and here you want to practice more.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait. This is of 20 question. I think this will be enough. Shubhra, I'm sharing this quiz link. You open that link and start solving the quiz. Okay, there is a fixed time limit. So try to complete in that limit. Start a live quiz. Classical. Theme or classical? Classical.
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 Yes. Okay. Chat box. Yeah. See. Are you able to join? Open the link.
Can you also send the link, ma'am?
This is link only.
Sorry, the code.
Code, this one, the last number is code 339412.
Okay.
Okay.
Quiz start. 1 second, ma'am. Enter code 3394.
Should I start now?
Ma'am, only me and Ananya joined.
All of you, please join the link quickly. So how many person needs to join?
Ma'am, 6 students attended the meeting today.
Yes. 6 students are busy. Okay, start it.